Yo, this is wall painters. Today we're gonna be painting some walls. So, you might be asking, what's the premise of wall painters? Um, and my answer to you is, the premise of wall painters is we're gonna be painting some walls and fucking bitches, lots of fucking bitches and lots of painting walls. So, if that sounds like something you're into, painting some walls and fucking some hookers, and wall painters is the show for you. Um, so yeah, check out this cool clip I just put together of wall painters. That's yeah. Here, check the clip out real quick. Okay, so here we got some paint going on here. You see that, cameraman? We got some paint, and today we're painting this wall. I already started because so I'm gonna paint that wall real quick. So the key when you're painting a wall is to take paint and you just see. Sometimes when it's hard, because when it's really high up, it's like it can get kind of hard to reach because it's high up. And I'm a pretty tall guy, so it's a tall wall. I'll switch it up. I'll paint some of this wall so you can get a camera guy. You're being a dick. You're being a douchebag, camera guy. Fuck you, bitch. Die and get cancer, you whore. Pardon me. So we're painting some walls here. You're watching wall painters. When you're painting a wall, you gotta have heart to paint a wall. My grandpappy once told me, your own balls, because that's what you're gonna see. When you're painting a wall, it shows your ball sacks. Because your balls are a wall, and painted for men. But women can paint too, of course. We don't discriminate. It's not fucking 2014 anymore. We can't be discriminating against women and people of color anymore. Not that we ever have here at wall painters, but except for a few comments, but that we regret. It was a different time. So don't bring up those old screenshots on Twitter. It wasn't run by me anyways. It was by our intern. His name is Joyce Roberts. Look him up. Take all the blame on him. Because here at Wall Painters, we never once said anything about people of color. Because we are not racist here at Wall Painters. We paint plenty of black walls. We paint plenty of white walls. We paint yellow walls. We paint blue walls. We paint orange walls. We don't discriminate any color well, except for turquoise, of course, because turquoise is too hard to say. So we do discriminate against you turquoise people. Ozzy Osbourne was once here. This is one of his old cribs that we're painting up today. And I once did cocaine with him. But then things took a turn, and I don't want to go there right now, ladies and gentlemen, but things took a turn. One really, really important thing to remember when you're painting walls, you gotta have the Kalulu mudslide. I bought this from some Chilean guy think he's he's Chinese and Hawaiian. It's got cholo. Yo, it's got some rum and coffee and liquor in it. Rum, coffee, liquor. It sounds like a good time. So it's gonna be Cholulu. Yeah. We painters, we drink this shit straight up. You know, sometimes we cut it with a little bit of paint. Sometimes we just go fucking ham on it. I've seen some of my brothers just, you know, they take it too far. Too much paint, too much kahulu. Not a good time. Not a good time. But if you know what's right, you go a little crystal meth, little kahulu, little bit of paint, and then you're gonna be getting a pretty good high. You're gonna be getting a pretty good one. So let's continue painting Ozzy Osbourne's his crib. You know, it's pretty sick place. Let's continue painting this bitch up. Let's go. Let's go. Check out our YouTube channel. It's Wall Painters. We're on this faggot kid A's YouTube channel right now. I'm a homosexual man. We do not discriminate against homos. We are not homophobics here at whatever the fuck the show is called. But yes, we are on this gay person's YouTube channel, which is nothing wrong with that. You get it. You can like butthole. That's not my problem. You're gonna have to face the wrath of God, of course. But if that's something that you're willing to go through, I'm not gonna stop you. But you know what? Just forget about anything I said. Just scrap that all. Just scrap everything I just said right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, what up? That concludes Paint Brothers. Wall painters. We were painting walls today. That's what the video you just watched. That's what that was. But that's the end of this. The video's over now because we finished painting that wall, Ozzy Osbourne's wall. It's finished being painted. So that's the end of the video. Did you like it? Did you love it? If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wall Painters. And big shout out to Kid A for letting us do this video, for letting us get our company and our brand name out there. So shout out to you, Kid A. You came through on that one. I'll give you that. Even though you were faggot, you fuck guys. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with being gay. We don't discriminate here at Wall Painters. But that's the end of the video. If you like it, leave a like. If you love it, leave a subscribe. On our channel, not on this channel. This guy fucking sucks. He's gay. But yeah, go to them. Go do that thing. And yeah, yo, peace.